Hello everyone, I am N. Dhanalakshmi, first BBA, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. This topic, fund flow statement. Definition of fund flow statement. According to International Accounting Standard 7, the term fund generally refers to cash equivalent or to working capital. This view leans towards the borrower meaning of fund. Statement of changes in financial position. This statement is based on the widest interpretations of fund as all resources. It measures change in current and non-current items. Cash flow and fund flow statement. This statement is based on cash concept of fund or the narrow interpretations of fund. It measures the cash inflow and outflow resulting from all business transactions. The statement is based on the working capital concept of funds. It measures the inflow and outflow of working capital resulting from different business transactions. Statement of changes in financial position is discussed in detail towards the end of this chapter. Cash flow statements is separately dealt with in the subsequent chapter. Fund flow statement, the working capital concept of funds, is discussed below. Fund flow statement and working capital. Fund flow statement measure and present in an analytical manner the summarized version of the numerous flows of funds for a specified period. Fund flow statement is based on the working capital concept of funds. However, working capital is also a controversial term. Gross working capital is the total of current asset. Fund flow statement is generally prepared and interpreted on the basis of net working capital, current asset and current liabilities. All those assets which are converted into cash in the normal course of business within 1 year or which the operating cycle are known as current asset. All those liabilities which are payable in cash in the normal course of business within a period of 1 year or within a operating cycle are called current liabilities. Importance or uses or benefits of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement is an important tool in the financial manager. It helps in the planning, development and controlling of funds year after year. The following are the benefits or uses of funds flow statement. It provides a detailed analysis and understanding of changes in the distribution of financial resources between two balance sheet data. It shows how the funds were obtained and uses during a period. Limitations of fund flow statement. It is historical in nature. It shows what happened in the past. So necessarily its value is limited from the point of view of future operations. It is nothing but secondary data. The information in financial accounts is rearranged and presented. So its accuracy and reliability depend on the accounting department. In spite of these limitations, funds flow statement provide a bird's eye view of the financial history of a firm between two balance sheet data. Thanks for watching.